Zoe.
What are you doing here?
You are meant to be on holiday.
The wife went with her balls.
Fit.
Oh, leave it! Come here! Get off it! Leave it alone!
Get off me, man.
I've got you now, you thieving wee naff. I'm hunting you till the police get here.
Oh, aye. You phoned them, like?
Police, this is Adam Anderson, 27 Ashgar Crescent. I would like to report a robbery.
Is it urgent?
Urgent? What's happening now? Get a car round.
Is it Sunday?
I know it's a Sunday.
Car's on its way.
Good. Thank you.
Would you like to take part on an online survey?
That's you now, boy. You're not taking my plasma TB today.
What did that cost you, like?
£750.
So this isn't the first time you've been robbed.
Cheeky common criminal.
I am not a common criminal.
I despise your type. Me and my wife have got very high moral codes.
I am a highly skilled professional.
So how come I caught you then?
Could you just give me a break, please? Fits it to you if I got a wah.
What a flippin' nerve!
I've not done you any damage.
No, you haven't had a chance.
I do a good, clean job. I never leave a mess. You just ask anybody I've ever burgled.
Oh, very raffled.
I shouldn't be doing a Poundland home bargain job like this. Art galleries, museums, banks, that's my market.
Oh, I'm very sorry, we're very much below that.
Oh, you should see my press clippings. My ma's half proud of me.
Well, sure, when this gets out, huh, you'll be in the P&J.
Ow. I should have listened to the wife.
That I can understand. What did you say?
Oh, time you packed this in, early up to this on me, blah, 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 fit about the jip you get in your knee.
What's the fuck you doing here?
That vase.
That was? Oh, that belongs to the wife.
No, does it?
Aye. It's a family heirloom she got from her granda.
You can for it's worth.
That doesn't matter. That does not come into it.
Right. I want to tell you then.
Well, just out of interest.
That there is insured for 30 grand.
Eh?
30 grand.
£30,000? How do you get that?
Oh, I have my resources. I check the facts and I case the joint. I'm a very sort of hands-on kind of guy.
You mean to tell me that I'm working 60 hours a week, trying to pay a mortgage, HP on the car, and we've had that thing all along?
That there, along.
Oh God, she never tells me nothing.
Aye, well, she's a very sneaky woman, that.
Her granda got it in the desert in World War II. She's always been cagey about its background.
Nay, wonder. My clients are desperately after that, because you see, there's some kind of stooshy over far rightfully owns it.
What are these clients like?
Oh, you wouldn't want to ken those folk. Half a dangerous like. Look, I would be doing you a favour if I was to take that off your hands. You see, those folk, they'd kill you. But if you give it to me, I can sell it and you can cash in on that. 30 grand. Deal?
Deal. £30,000.
Stop! Police!
Please let it be smashed. Please, please, please let it be smashed.
Oh, you got my vase? Not damaged whatsoever. Well, just you make sure you put him behind bars. I'll let you in. Well, perhaps he shouldn't have put off his retirement after all. Feel gape.